Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a super easy appetizer idea coming to you. This is a Mexican street corn salad. It is so delicious. It's got avocado and feta. It is so yummy. I served this last week at a party and it was gone in minutes. So make sure you make enough and let's get started by cutting up our corn. So this is actually like the hardest part of this. This recipe is really easy, but on your corn on the cob, you're gonna wanna cut the top of it off like this so that you can kind of use it as a stand when we're cutting our corn off. This is probably the hardest part and the hardest part to control because the corn really starts to kind of fly all over the place. Try and keep it on your cutting board. If you go nice and slow, it stays, you can get it. You can also angle the corn like this so it kind of just falls off onto the cutting board. Make sure to get down deep enough to where you're getting like the whole corn kernel off. See, I'm losing some on the floor. We'll get it though, it'll be all right. You're gonna wanna turn your heat to medium and have a large skillet ready. Add a tablespoon of olive oil in. Let this heat up for just a minute or two. Once this is heated up a little bit, we're gonna add in our corn. And just allow this to brown up. We're gonna roast our corn for about 8 minutes, stirring every few minutes, just to make sure that all of our sides get nice and roasted. This is roasting up really nicely. I'm gonna add in some salt, just a pinch, and a little bit of black pepper. This looks perfectly roasted. We're gonna let this come to room temperature and then we're gonna stick it in the fridge. Now we're gonna stick our bowl of corn in the fridge until it cools down completely. This takes about 15 minutes. While we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and fix our dressing or sauce that goes on the Mexican corn salad. We're gonna need a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, paprika, and chili powder. Those are really good seasonings for this. A 1/4 cup of sour cream, or you can use Greek yogurt here. And we are gonna squeeze in juice from half of a lime. This is one of my favorite appetizer ideas right now. It's also really great in the summertime when corn is available. It's like 25 cents per ear of corn. And we're just gonna whisk this up. And this sauce just goes perfectly with the avocado and cilantro. So good. Okay, that's it. Let's stick this in the fridge until the corn's ready. Our corn is cooled and we just pulled it out of the fridge. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so we've got our avocado. Our jalapeno. Our feta cheese, our tomato, red onion, and cilantro. We're gonna just mix this up. And sometimes I wait to add my cheese at the end. I actually prefer doing it like that, but I've already dumped it in here. It doesn't really matter either way, but. Okay, and then we're gonna add in our dress our sour cream mixture that we made. Give this a nice toss. We just want to incorporate that sauce throughout the whole dip. This is a lot like pico de gallo. It's just really, really fresh and perfect for summer. My husband calls it guacamole with corn, but it really isn't because there's not that much avocado in it. And then I'm just gonna put this in the fridge. I usually cover it with plastic wrap, and then I just put it in the fridge until I'm ready to serve it. And I like to serve it with Tostito chips. I really like to serve it with the scoops because that way you can get a ton of dip on there. Okay, so we are all done. This is nice and chilled, and I'm going in for the taste test. This is one of my favorite things to eat. I honestly sometimes just eat a plain without the chips too, like a salad. It's so good. Mmm. So yummy. That's it. We are all done with this easy street corn dip. It is so yummy. You guys are gonna love this. It's the perfect appetizer. Let me know in the comments if you decide to make it, and make sure to subscribe so that we can keep cooking together. I love making simple recipes to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.